Revolutionizing graphical modeling with Pro-Tensor Network. Imagine being able to visualize and analyze complex systems with unprecedented clarity and precision. For years, tensor networks have been a powerful tool for graphical modeling, but what if there was a way to take them to the next level? Welcome to Pro-Tensor Network, a game-changing categorification of tensor networks that is set to revolutionize the way we approach complex systems. At its core, Pro-Tensor Network is an extension of traditional tensor networks that allows for a more rigorous and systematic approach to graphical modeling. By introducing new mathematical structures and techniques, Pro-Tensor Network enables researchers and practitioners to tackle complex problems in fields such as physics, engineering, and computer science with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. One of the key benefits of Pro-Tensor Network is its ability to provide a more detailed and nuanced understanding of complex systems. Traditional tensor networks can be limited in their ability to capture the intricate relationships between different components of the system, but Pro-Tensor Network's categorification approach allows for a much more fine-grained analysis. This is achieved through the use of advanced mathematical tools such as category theory and homotopy theory, which enable researchers to rigorously model and analyze complex systems. For example, in the field of physics, Pro-Tensor Network can be used to study the behavior of complex systems such as quantum many-body systems and topological phases of matter. By providing a more detailed and accurate understanding of these systems, researchers can gain new insights into the underlying laws and principles that govern their behavior. This, in turn, can lead to breakthroughs in fields such as materials science and quantum computing. Another key benefit of Pro-Tensor Network is its ability to facilitate collaboration and communication between researchers and practitioners from different fields. By providing a common language and framework for graphical modeling, Pro-Tensor Network enables experts from different domains to work together more effectively and share knowledge and ideas. This can lead to new and innovative applications of graphical modeling in fields such as engineering, computer science, and data analysis. In addition to its technical benefits, Pro-Tensor Network also has the potential to drive significant advances in areas such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. By providing a more rigorous and systematic approach to graphical modeling, Pro-Tensor Network can enable the development of more sophisticated and accurate models of complex systems. This, in turn, can lead to breakthroughs in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. So, how does Pro-Tensor Network achieve these benefits? At its core, Pro-Tensor Network is built on a few key mathematical structures, including category theory and homotopy theory. These structures enable researchers to rigorously model and analyze complex systems and provide a framework for working with tensor networks in a more systematic and principled way. One of the key advantages of Pro-Tensor Network is its flexibility and generality. Unlike traditional tensor networks, which can be limited in their applicability to specific domains or problems, Pro-Tensor Network can be used in a wide range of contexts and applications. This makes it an ideal tool for researchers and practitioners who need to work with complex systems in a variety of different fields. In terms of practical applications, Pro-Tensor Network has already been used in a number of different domains, including physics, engineering, and computer science. For example, researchers have used Pro-Tensor Network to study the behavior of complex systems, such as quantum many-body systems and topological phases of matter. Others have used Pro-Tensor Network to develop more sophisticated and accurate models of complex systems in fields such as materials science and data analysis. As the use of Pro-Tensor Network continues to grow and expand, it's clear that this technology has the potential to drive significant advances in a wide range of fields. Whether you're a researcher, practitioner, or simply someone interested in learning more about graphical modeling, Pro-Tensor Network is definitely worth checking out. In conclusion, Pro-Tensor Network is a powerful new tool for graphical modeling that is set to revolutionize the way we approach complex systems. With its rigorous and systematic approach, Pro-Tensor Network enables researchers and practitioners to tackle complex problems with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. Whether you're working in physics, engineering, computer science, or data analysis, Pro-Tensor Network is an essential tool to have in your toolkit. So, What are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge content on Pro-Tensor Network and other emerging technologies. And join the conversation by liking, commenting, and sharing this video with your network.